Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming current battery percentage and recent drain patterns so you know what to fix first. Once done, disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and background sync for apps you don't need. This cuts wake cycles. Make sure battery saver is set to engage at 20% and enable performance mode only when required. Also, reboot the phone now to clear transient wake locks and establish a clean baseline for the next steps. This prevents chasing ghosts. You now dig into apps and services. Open Settings Battery to identify top drainers and force stop or uninstall unnecessary ones. Once identified, restrict background activity and app auto start for those with high wake time. This reduces CPU and radio use. Make sure apps and the system are updated to the latest MIUI build and clear cache for misbehaving apps. Updates often fix memory leaks. If a recent app caused the spike, roll back or replace it and watch battery trends. You finish by optimizing system settings. Lower screen refresh to 60Hz, reduce brightness or enable adaptive brightness, and disable always-on features. If readings seem off, perform one full charge cycle for calibration. When drain persists, reset network settings and boot into safe mode to isolate apps. If that narrows it to system services, consider a factory reset after backing up data. If problems continue, contact Poco support. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.